gotta do is ask for it. And I would dip into my last four. And if I took a trip around the world, my nigga better have your passport.
Je m'appelle Tiffany, embarquement immédiat pour le vol en destination
I'm on the
de la
way.
France.
Bonjour. Oui, baby. Shit, oui, to you too.
It's your boy Cash back with another video, guys. So what it do, man? So basically, I just came back from Mickey's, bruh. Not thumbnail time just yet. And I had to give me some more ice cream. Hopefully this video don't be too long, but you know, whatever. Boom. I got a lot of videos to talk about. Some crazy stuff, some crazy, trickable stuff. But got the ice cream. My favorite ice cream of all time. I literally ate this 3 days in a row. Three days in a row, yeah. They didn't have it at the first store, so I had to literally like walk on the other side of the highway to actually get the ice cream. I didn't even know the other store would have it, but they had it. I got a strawberry milkshake, if you want to call it that, with a cherry inside that I lost. It got lost, guys. But anyway. I was about to choke already, guys. Wow. So you gotta make sure that the you gotta make sure the cherry don't get split up or nothing like that. But mine did. Got this big skip. You wonder, like, McDonald's don't even serve biscuits? Because I had to go get, I went to go get some food for somebody else. And it was from Church's. So I went to go get that, and it came with a biscuit. And I just deboed it because I knew he didn't want it. But well, comment down below if these biscuits be hitting. Because to me, these biscuits be hitting. Sauce. So, hopefully that's the right way. 20-piece nuggets. Let me get a little thumbnail. Get out of here. This one's pretty hard. Alright, guys. Hold up. That's probably gonna be it right there. But 20-piece chicken nugget. If y'all want these challenges to keep on coming, but it's really not a challenge. It's really just me eating. But anyway, tell me what's the best thing that's at McDonald's. And if you don't even eat McDonald's, tell me what should they bring back, or what should they have at McDonald's. Man, this biscuit is so good. I still got some more biscuits. You know what? Let me go back. I'm about to go back. No, I'm just playing. I'm smacking the freak out of smacking right now. It's just good. Sorry, guys. Y'all want some? Get some. See that? You see that grease? Yeah, them fingers clean. Don't worry about that. Kind of a little chipped up there though. But y'all see that grease though? On that. Eat it, y'all. Eat it. Nom. Y'all full? Y'all full yet? Yeah, look. Look at that, man. Look at that. Hold up. Let me grab it better. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. I bet y'all like, this dude finna be fat. Don't get fat. You know why? Got high metabolism. Thank you. But all jokes aside, to be honest, you can eat whatever you want. You just gotta track your calories. Like, that's really like all I'm eating today. Ice cream. I'm about to eat ice cream right after this video. Watch a little movie. I don't know what I'm gonna watch. Comment down below what should I watch. But I wanted honey mustard. I had told the lady honey mustard, but she gave me barbecue sauce. So whatever the lady give you, you should just eat. Cause it's just meant to be. I'm not gonna eat all this on the video, of course, but I got a whole bunch of challenges coming up, like 100 chicken nuggets challenge coming up, buffalo blazing boneless wings challenge coming up. What else? A pizza challenge coming up. Look at that, man. Look at that focus, though, man. It's a lot of protein, man. I was gonna work out, but I don't know. I gotta do some studying. I studied a little bit already, though, but a little bit don't count. But the test is in 2 weeks, so I got this weekend, the week, and then that next weekend. After that, ace the test next year. I can't wait till I get my whip, man. Hopefully I can get one for my birthday. If you didn't know, my birthday is in October. October the 20th. 1999. The same as NBA YoungBoy. I don't even know what time I was born, so I can't get that technical with y'all. But yeah, probably ask them, why did I get all this food and stuff? It's because, first off, I'm hungry. Second off, I love my ice cream, and I wanted to try this strawberry shake. It's pretty good. And everybody else gone, except for me and my uncle. But they went to eat crawfish. I'm tired of crawfish, really. I'm from Louisiana, so that's surprising to say that to me. I'm tired of crawfish. Been eating crawfish like 5 times this whole month, or the last 2 months, 5-6 times. And like only like one of the crawfish balls, like out of the 5, only one of them like really was good. The first one, or the second or third one, was just like a lot of people was just eating up all the crawfish before I can even get to it. But mostly it was my fault because I was playing basketball. But still, they should have saved me some crawfish. They knew I was gonna want something. But I'm gonna end the video in a little bit. But comment down below what reaction should I do tonight. Yeah, y'all already know what it is, man. Y'all should subscribe, like, comment.
Dollar, man. Here we go. All you gotta do is ask for it, and I would dip into my last four. And if I took a trip around the world, my nigga better have your passport.
Je m'appelle Tiffany, embarquement immédiat pour le vol en destination de la France.
Bonjour, oui, oui, baby. Shit, oui, oui, to you too.